What's up, YouTube? It's time for another 2-minute Tuesday, but it's Friday. I'm gonna have to change it to 2-minute tutorials. I can't get to the videos to release them every Tuesday on time. I wish I could, but I can't. So I'm going to release them as often as possible. If you click the bell at the bottom, you'll get a notification when I upload, so that'll let you know. So this week I want to talk about pentatonic tapping. I did a little bit of it in that intro video, and I'll show you my go-to, what I use the most often. If you're familiar with the pentatonic shape, let's do it in B minor. So B minor pentatonic today. So I consider that first position. I think most people do. If you look at the fifth position, or the scale starting on the fifth note, which in this instance is A, the shape goes like this. So first shape. And both are B minor. That delay's a little long, sorry. What I like to do with my left hand is fret the fifth position. So if you'll notice, the pinky is playing all of the first notes of the first position for each string. So what I do with my index finger is tap where the second finger would be in the original pentatonic shape. It goes like this. Descending. Descending. For this example, I tap first. It's just easier for me. And I like to do these in sets of 3 strings at a time. So I'll play the E to A to D, then the E, the D, the G, and so on. And that goes like this. Try that again, that was sloppy. Alright, so up to speed. So I hope that made sense. I didn't go into a whole lot of detail. I think it's fairly self-explanatory. If you have any questions, just type them in the comments below and I'll try to get to them as quickly as possible. It's hard to be super detail-oriented into 2 minutes. Maybe I should rethink how I do this, but there's so many people out there doing long videos that I just want to do something super quick and hopefully helpful. So you guys have a good week. I'll see you again as soon as possible.